You're recording.
What?
Today,
Kau
is
kasih
it
dulu.
raining?
Ya,
Today
ya.
is raining. Yes.
Today it is raining. Okay. So today I'm going to teach you how to do this, so it works without the
Cover.
cover. So we're gonna do this. It works.
How to make an impromptu battery pack?
Yeah, what he said. So let's get started. You need aluminium foil and some tape and AA batteries. Hold on. First, you want to get the poles right by referring to this. So we know that negative is down here and so on. So it's like this.
Kau kasih suara.
So it means that
Kau kasih suara.
it should be this way. Okay. Okay. Now get some aluminium foil. Some bit. You wanna slide it in here. To make it more stable, you can put some inside here. But
Paruhkan.
this is not entirely necessary.
Just to make it stable.
Yeah. So just fold some up. And then you want to make sure that both poles are covered with the foil, or else it won't work. Just slide it in here.
Adik kalau nak tunjuk, adik kalau nak tunjuk baca dia pakai apa boleh. Akil tebal sangat Akil.
Boleh ni.
Okay,
The
boleh.
aluminium foil is adjustable by itself. Just slide it in between and bingo, which is really real stable.
Tunjuk boleh hidup tak?
Okay, let's try. And it does work. See,
Okay.
it works even though without the foil.
But just to make it stable,
Yeah,
just
to
put
make it stable, you can just
put a
tap
middle
more.
piece in the middle.
Yeah, tap a bit more and make it real thick so that it actually makes the battery stay put. Yeah, it is ugly as whatever you want to call it, but it works. So yeah, that's about it.
If your case does never, your battery pack does not work lah.
Yeah, that is if the casing does not work. Does not work. If you still think that it'll drop out, you can use tape. I'm not gonna use tape because
We run out of tape.
yeah, we're running out of tape and it's disgusting.
But just to make sure, just to make demo, just tape. Okay. Tape. Okay.
Bingo.
Penutup.
And that's about it.